Have you ever sat on the edge of your bed in the morning, feeling like your legs need a moment to wake up? Or maybe getting out of a chair takes more effort than it used to? Or your balance feels just a bit off? It's tempting to brush these moments off as just aging, but what if they're signs of something more serious? Meet sarcopenia, a sneaky condition that quietly robs your muscles of strength and mass as you age. Shockingly, it affects up to 1 in 3 people over 60, often unnoticed until a fall disrupts their lives. According to the Journal of the American Medical Directors Association, those with sarcopenia are twice as likely to fall, risking hospital stays or even permanent disability. Here's the kicker: muscle loss can accelerate while you sleep if your body lacks the right nutrients. Your bedtime meal might just be the most critical of the day. Scientists have identified 7 bedtime foods that can stop muscle loss and even rebuild strength, even for those in their 70s and 80s. Stick around for the number 1 food. It's clinically proven to reverse sarcopenia and spark muscle regrowth. And I'll share exactly how to use it. We'd love to know where you're watching from, so drop your location in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more health tips from senior wisdom. Let's dive into these muscle-saving foods. Number 7. Eggs, soft-boiled or poached. Eggs are a protein powerhouse, delivering all 9 essential amino acids, including leucine, which jumpstarts muscle growth. A nutrition research study found that older adults eating leucine-rich foods, like eggs at night, boosted muscle building by 25%. Soft-boiled or poached eggs are gentler on digestion, making nutrients more bioavailable, key for seniors. Eggs also provide vitamin D and B12, vital for muscle and nerve health. A vitamin D deficiency is linked to weaker muscles and higher fall risk. How to enjoy. Have 1-2 soft-boiled or poached eggs with a pinch of sea salt and steamed spinach about an hour before bed. Avoid fried eggs or heavy cheese to keep digestion light. Number 6. Almond butter. Almond butter packs monounsaturated fats, plant-based protein, and nutrients like vitamin E and magnesium, which support muscle function and relaxation. Its arginine boosts blood flow, aiding nutrient delivery for overnight repair. A Journal of Clinical Nutrition study showed seniors eating almond butter retained 15% more lean muscle mass over 6 months, even during inactivity. How to enjoy. Spread 1 tablespoon on whole grain toast or mix into oatmeal or cottage cheese. Choose natural almond butter without added sugars or oils for maximum benefits. Number 5. Tart cherry juice. Tart cherry juice is a muscle-saving gem, loaded with anthocyanins that reduce inflammation and muscle damage. A Scandinavian Journal of Medicine and Science and Sports study found seniors drinking it twice daily for 10 days had 34% less muscle soreness and faster strength recovery. It also boosts melatonin, promoting deep sleep when most muscle repair happens. How to enjoy. Drink 8 ounces of pure tart cherry juice, no added sugars, 30 minutes before bed. Mix with water, blend into a smoothie, or warm it like tea for a soothing ritual. Number 4. Pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with magnesium, zinc, and plant-based protein. Magnesium supports muscle contractions and protein synthesis, while tryptophan aids melatonin production for better sleep. A Journal of the American Geriatric Society study linked higher magnesium intake to 30% better leg strength in seniors. How to enjoy. Eat 1 to 2 tablespoons raw or lightly roasted, unsalted, an hour before bed. Blend into a smoothie or sprinkle over yogurt for a nutrient-packed snack. Number 3. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt's high whey and casein protein content makes it ideal for nighttime muscle repair. Whey acts fast, while casein provides a slow amino acid release. A Frontiers in Nutrition study showed a 26% increase in muscle protein synthesis in seniors eating protein-rich yogurt before bed. It's also rich in calcium and probiotics, boosting muscle and gut health. How to enjoy. Mix 1 cup with chia seeds and berries, 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Add a drizzle of raw honey for sweetness and melatonin support. Number 2. Cottage. Cottage cheese is a casein protein superstar, delivering a steady amino acid flow all night. Its high leucine content triggers muscle-building signals. A British Journal of Nutrition study found seniors eating cottage cheese before bed, paired with light exercise, gained 27% more muscle strength and 20% more lean mass in 12 weeks. It's also easy to digest and rich in calcium and phosphorus for bone health. How to enjoy. Mix 1/2 cup low-sodium cottage cheese with chia seeds and berries. Let it sit 10 minutes for a creamy, satisfying snack. Number 1. Whey protein shake with collagen and leucine. The ultimate muscle rebuilding combo. Whey protein, collagen peptides, and leucine. Whey's fast-absorbing protein and high leucine content boost muscle synthesis by 32%, per the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Adding 3 grams leucine doubles the effect. Collagen supports tendons, ligaments, and joints, improving stability, osteoarthritis, and cartilage. This shake is a game-changer for seniors, even in their 80s. How to enjoy. Blend 30-40 grams grass-fed whey protein, 15 grams collagen peptides, and 3 grams leucine with almond milk or water 45 minutes before bed. Add cinnamon or half a banana for flavor and extra nutrients. Take control of your strength. These 7 foods, from eggs to the ultimate whey collagen shake, can transform how you age. Start with 1 tonight, and you could feel stronger in weeks. Sarcopenia doesn't have to win. With the right bedtime fuel, you can rebuild muscle and reclaim vitality. Which of these foods are you excited to try? Have you noticed muscle weakness creeping in? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching Senior Wisdom. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more health tips to keep you thriving.